Good morning students. Now in last video I have discussed about gradation. Now there are four agents of gradation: running water, sea waves, glacier and wind. Now today in this topic I am going to discuss about the running water, agent of gradation. So running water I am going to discuss about the river work. So in this topic you will be able to understand the different stages of river, and you will be able to identify the different features which are found by river in the different stages. Now there are three stages of river. River also has a life cycle. So like us, river also has a three stages: young stage, middle stage and old stage. In young stage, river takes birth in a mountain or in a hill. So in this stage, river flows over steep mountains. River flows over steep mountains. In this stage, the rate of erosion is maximum. So due to down cutting work of the river, it forms V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley and waterfall. So in the young stage, erosion is maximum. So river makes a V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley and waterfall. And in the second stage is a middle stage. In the middle stage, rivers enters into plains. In this stage, the river becomes larger, where it is met by number of tributaries. What is tributary? Tributary is a small river which join the large river. So, in the middle stage, the river become larger. In this stage, the volume of the water is increases and the slope of the land is decreases. So the river becomes slow, the water in river becomes slow in this stage, so the water flow through meanders. So this shape of the river is called meanders. So in the middle stage, river is formed meanders. River started flowing through meanders. So last stage is old stage. In old stage, before meeting the sea, the river become old and sluggish. The river becomes so slow and sluggish. So the water gets divided into several distributaries. Distributaries when the main river is divided into different streams. These are called distributaries. So in this stage, the river deposits sediments, silts and sand over a large area near its mouth. So the deposition of sediments over the large area result in triangular shaped formation which is known as delta. So before falling into sea, the river forms a delta. Okay. Now there are three stages of river. Okay. In young stage, V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley and waterfall are formed by river, or in the middle stage, meanders are formed by river, or in the old stage, delta is formed by the rivers. Okay student, thank you to all. Now you are to revise this topic.